Hello my dear students, today I am going to explain NCERT 9th class exercise 2.2 problem number 4 which is on page number 35. And the question is asking find the zeros of the polynomial in each of the following cases. We should find out the zeros of the polynomial in the given cases. Here I have written the 7 questions which consist of 7 bits. So one by one we will solve all the bits. Okay. In the first one, what it is? P of x equal to x plus 5. P of x is equal to x plus 5. How to find out this one? See here, x plus 5 is equal to 0. You should take this x plus 5. Okay, is equal to 0. X is equal to. Can I send this plus 5 towards that side? If I send the plus 5 towards right hand side, it will become minus 5. It will become minus 5. Now we should substitute the value of x, that is minus 5. P of minus 5 is equal to minus 5 plus 5. Minus 5 plus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 get cancelled. So it will be P of minus 5 is equal to 0. P of minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Now 0 of the polynomial. Therefore, minus 5 is the 0 of given polynomial. Minus 5 is the 0 of given polynomial. For the second, what we have to do? Same as the first one. P of x equal to x minus 5. P of x, how much it is? X minus 5. What we have to do? We should take x minus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to, from here only, x is equal to, can I send this minus 5 towards the right hand side? If it is minus 5, it will become plus 5. I think it means it will be plus, no problem. Okay. Now we should substitute the value of x, that is 5. We should substitute the value of x, that is 5 in the given polynomial. P of 5 is equal to 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5. Plus 5 minus 5. Cancel. What is remain here? 0. What is remain? 0. Therefore, 5 is the 0 of given polynomial. 5 is the 0 of given polynomial. 5 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Now we will go for the next question. What is the next? Third one. P of x equal to 2x plus 5. P of x is equal to 2x plus 5. We will take this 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Remember, only the variable should remain at one side. Only the variable should remain at one side. So 2x is equal to, can I send this 5 this side? It will become minus 5. Okay. Now x is equal to, now send. See, this 2 is in multiplication. If you are changing the side of the 2, it is in multiplication. It will goes to division. Minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. X is how much? Minus 5 by 2. Now P of minus 5 by 2 equal to 2 into minus 5 by 2 plus 5. 2 get cancelled. Minus 5 plus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 cancel. It remains P of minus 5 by 2 is equal to 0. P of minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 5 by 2 is the 0 of given polynomial. Okay. Now listen to me carefully. See, if it is in multiplication, if you are changing the position, if you are changing the side, it will goes to division. If it is in division, if you are changing the side, it will goes to multiplication. If it is in plus, it will be minus. If it is minus, it will be plus. You will see here. See, plus. If you are changing this side, it will become minus. Here only. If it is minus, if you are sending, it will become plus, if it is multiplication, if you are sending, it will go to division. If it is division, if you are sending here, it will become multiplication. It will become multiplication. It is most important. It is most important. Okay? It is most important. Now we will go for the next question. Fourth one. In the fourth one, it says that p of x equal to 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. Take this. 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now, if I am sending this minus 2 towards that side, then it will become 3x is equal to 2. 3x is equal to 2. Now, I should send this 3 also. 3 is in multiplication or division or addition or subtraction. It is in multiplication. So, x is equal to 3 by 2. Sorry, x is equal to 2 by 3. X is equal to 2 by 3. Value of x is how much? 2 by 3. Now, p of 2 by 3 equal to 3 into 2 by 3 minus 2. 3 by 2. 2 by 3 minus 2. 3, then 2 minus 2. P of 2 by 3 equal to plus 2 minus 2 cancel. What is meant? P of 2 by 3 is equal to 0. P of 2 by 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2 by 3 is the 0 of given polynomial. Given polynomial. Okay? Now we will go for the next question. Next question, fifth. P of x equal to 3x. P of x is equal to 3x. Then 3x is equal to 0. 3x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 by 3. 0 by anything it will be x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Then P of 0 is equal to 3 into 0. That is P of 0 is equal to 0. P of 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, 0 is the 0 of given polynomial. 0 is the 0 of the given polynomial. 0 by anything, or you can write 0 by 3 also, no problem. You can write 0 by 3 also. Okay. Now, next, sixth problem. What the sixth problem is saying about C, P of x. P of x equal to Ax, where A not equal to 0. A should not be equal to 0. A should not equal to 0. Now what we have to do? Ax is equal to 0. Ax is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 0 by A. 0 by A. We are not making A at 0. Okay, we are making 0 by A. So x is equal to how much it will be 0. X is equal to 0. See how the question is confusing you. It says that A should not be equal to 0. A should not equal to 0. But if you are taking Ax is equal to 0, is A becoming 0? No, it's not becoming. So if I am sending this side, that means towards the right hand side, x is equal to 0 by A. A is not becoming 0. So x is equal to 0 by anything, it will be 0. Okay? P of 0 is equal to A into 0. A into 0. Therefore, P of 0 is equal to 0. P of 0 is equal to 0. Now, therefore, 0 is the 0 of the given polynomial. 0 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Last question, seventh one. What it is saying? P of x equal to Cx plus D. Cx plus D. When C not equal to 0, Cx should not be 0. C comma D are real numbers. C comma D are real numbers. What is real number? Real number is the real number. What is real number? Either it is rational number or irrational number. prime number, odd number, even number, twin prime number, composite number. Okay, all these numbers is called as real number. All these number is called as real number. See, in the question it is saying P of x is equal to Cx plus D. It is Cx plus D. C should not equal to 0 as you did the sixth question. Here it is making confused. C should not equal to 0. Again, C comma D are real numbers. So it should be real numbers. We will solve P of x equal to Cx plus D. Okay. Now Cx plus D equal to 0. Cx plus D is equals to 0. Cx is equals to minus D. Cx is equals to minus D. X is equals to minus D by C. X is equals to minus D by C. X is equals to minus D by C. Now we will put this x is equals to minus D by C in the given polynomial. P of minus D by C equal to C into minus D by C. C into minus D by C plus D minus denominator and numerator get cancelled. P of minus D by C. P of minus D by C equal to minus D plus D minus D plus D cancel. P of minus D by C equal to 0. P of minus D by C is equal to 0. Therefore, minus D by C is the 0 of the given polynomial. Given polynomial. Okay, is the zeros of the given polynomial. See, listen. Don't try to get confused. These problems are too easy. Just we have to change the positions of the numbers. Okay, so that we can substitute the zeros of the value. In this one, they not given the x value. First of all, we should find out the x value. Then only it is possible to find out the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial. Okay. Let me explain you one more time. This don't take this is not the question. For your better understanding, I am taking. If I am taking 2x plus 7, 2x plus 7 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. First, what I have to do? 2x is equal to first send the 7 that side. It will be minus 7 because here it is in plus. If you are sending that side, it will become minus. Now 2 is in multiplication. 2 is in multiplication. So x is equal to minus 7. Multiplication goes to denominator. It will comes to division. That means it will comes to division. It will be the value of this one. So remember, when we are changing the sign, it will be there will be changes in the sign also. There will be changes in the sign. Hope everyone understood. Please, if you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and keep watching my videos. Hope everyone understood. Thanks for watching.